Good morning students. Today I am starting exercise 16.2. So the first question. Question first is if 21 by 5 is a multiple of 9 where y is a digit, what is the value of y? Okay, let's see the solution. Okay, so in this question have tell कि 21 5 y is a multiple of 9. So firstly we know about that what is the divisibility rule of 9. So since in the solution we can see since 21 y 5 is a multiple of 9, so therefore according to the divisibility rule of 9 the sum of all digits should be multiple of 9. That means divisibility 9 की divisibility का रूल क्या होता है वो हमको पता होना चाहिए. Sum of the all digit have to come in 9 table. Okay, so in this question we have to add this number firstly like 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus y. Okay, so 2 and 1 3 and 5 is 8 plus 5. और हमको क्या पता है कि मल्टीपल 9 का दैट मीन्स इसका जो एडिशन है वो 9 होना चाहिए. ओके, सो यहाँ पे विच नंबर वी कैन पुट के द सम ऑफ दिस 9. So 8 plus हम y की प्लेस पे when I put a 1, so the answer is 9. Okay, so the answer is y equal 9 because we have to put a 1 here. Next question number 2, same as it is. If 3 1 z 5 is a multiple of 9, same situation in this question. The sum of these digit is come in the 9 table. Okay, that means we have to find two answers. Okay, according to question we have to add firstly 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5. Okay, and multiple of 9, that means sum is 9. Okay, 3 and 1 4 and 5 9. Okay, 9 plus z. So हमको requirement 9 की. So which value we can put here? So answer is 9. So we have to put here 0. Z equals 0. So answer is 9. And after that in the second answer when we put 9 plus z and when we put here in the z place 9, so 9 plus 9 is 18 because here are requirement two answers, that's why. And 18 is also come in the 9 table. We can see here firstly we have to 8, so first answer z equals 0, and in the second answer we have to put the value of z is 9. So possible answer are 0 and 9 are two possible answers. Next है question number 3. If 24x is a multiple of 3, that means 24x is multiple of 3, that means ये 3 का multiplier है. Where x is a digit, what is the value of x? So what is the value of x? Okay, we can see the solution. Firstly 24x is a multiple of 3, so we know about the divisibility rule of 3. So the rule of 3 divisibility is the sum of all digit come in 3 table. Okay, so we have to add this firstly 2 plus 4 plus x. Okay, so 2 and 4 6 plus x. We have to need here which number we can put and the answer is come in the 3 table. So firstly we have to put here 0, value of x equals 0. So the answer is 6 and 6 is come in 3 table. Next we have to put the value of x is 3 and 6 and 3 is 9. So these are also come in 3 table. After that we have to put here x equal 6. So 6 plus 6 12 and 12 is also come in 3 table. After that we have to put here 9 and 15 is also come in the 3 table. So thus can have any four different value. इस अकॉर्डिंग ये 4 डिफरेंट वैल्यू हमको मिली है यहाँ पर. दैट मीन्स इस क्वेश्चन में सबसे पहले 6 प्लस एक्स के बाद हमको एक्स की वो वैल्यू पुट्स करनी है जो कि 3 की टेबल में आती है, और जो जिसके पुट करने पे यहाँ पे हमको वो नंबर अवेलेबल हो जो कि 3 की टेबल में आता है या फिर 3 से डिविजिबल हो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 सेम रिलेटेड टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. इफ 3 1 Z5 is the multiple of 3, where Z is the what might be the value of Z. See the solution. Therefore, according to the divisibility rule of sum of all digits should be multiple of 3. So firstly we have to add 3 plus 1 plus Z plus 5, and these are 9 plus Z, and when we have to put here the value of Z equals 0. So the answer is 9. When we put Z equal 3, so the answer is 12. When Z equals 6, so answer is 15. And when Z equal 9, so answer is 18. Okay. So the answer is 0, 3, 6 and 9 are 4 possible answers. Exercise 16.2 is completed. Thank you for watching.